Hello guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use the color distortion effect on CapCut. So here what you need to do is just add clips to CapCut and then go to the video effect. Then here click on the glitch category, so just swipe and click on the glitch. And you'll see there's a color distortion effect, so just click on that effect and the effect will be applied to your clips, but you can always adjust it. So for example, I want to change the color of the distortion into this orange color, and you can also adjust the soft light and the glow. So when you're done, just click on the check icon and that's it. So my video now will look like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks button below. Bye.